Okay, guys, here we continue on our last stream where we were doing the assault team, mainly the modify of the assault team. So, but, I'm gonna to show you what we got as an issue. So when I click the play button, so we're launching the program. We directly go to the assault teams tab. We say like show the US faction guys. We click on the general. So yeah, everything seems to go smooth. You click on the buy guard unit. You can rename it and buy it, but this is not active at the moment because I was working on this panel. So now watch carefully. The only thing that is not working are those two buttons and this selection. That is not working. And the other thing is working and not working. Okay, so first I'm gonna just click this guy and click that guy also. But watch now, First I'm gonna level him up. Watch in the screen here in the console, the debug output. I'm gonna level this guy up. I'm gonna click one time. Okay, you already see what is happening. Leveling up 1, 3, 2. Ra ra ra. What is 1, 2, 3? What has happened to this guy? Okay, he leveled up to level 2. That is good. But what has happened to this guy? He leveled also up. What has happened to this guy? He leveled up also. So, and this is not correct also because I only pressed one time. It need to be level 1. And now I got the same issue, it seems. Just call this test. We're gonna rename it. Click the rename button. He goes to test. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this guy. Now I'm gonna try to do the same. Bird, just to that. You see what is happening? He did not rename him. But what did he do? He renamed the guard unit. So I think this issue got to do because when we go look at the characters panel, if I'm not mistaken, I build it up like more like you click on the guy, it's spawning this window, and when you press back on this guy, it deletes all objects in this so basically what it does is deleting all childs of this window. So every time I spawn, I get a new child that will be the character holder in this for this instance, and like here everything is working perfectly. It stays on the character and at this point. So like I checked everything, it stays on the character. The renaming, I renamed some, but yeah, I need to maybe go over this just to see. So we're gonna open this guy and we're gonna open this guy, for example. So we have opened this guy and we open this guy. For this, I'm gonna press that and I'm gonna call it test 1. Enter is not working, but you need to click OK, show US, click on that guy, test 1. Okay. Now if I click on that guy, because I first selected that guy also, and I'm gonna click on this guy and I'm gonna call this guy test 2, because yeah, now we're having the assault team problem, and it could be that this guy does the same, so we're gonna check it out. So if I press now on OK, so it's not updating, you see, that is what I mean, it's not updating directly when you click on the, and that I was working on the assault team, where it directly updated in the screen, but okay. Okay, so now we're gonna push back on show US, so it's basically updating this panel. What are his name? Still test 1, test 2. So here everything seems to be working perfectly. And if I'm not mistaken, oh, I don't have it open. What is the quickest way? The quickest way will be taking maybe directly the character manager. Open this guy, because it's the managers that are doing most of the stuff. What is he doing now? Oh, it's not. So yeah, this is directly the character. So I'm quickly going to overview everything. So this is the assault team list, where we're adding our assault teams to per character, of course. This is the functionality for switching the careers. It's done directly on the character. If you then, yeah, this is not a good window. Hold on, I need to have the correct window open like before. Only if I open this guy, he will give me the correct on my last. Yeah, okay. So basically, character is over here. Okay, so assault team is over there. This is the assault team. This is the and that's crazy thing. Look, this one is the guy that is responsible for the levels. Level 1, LA 0, 1, 2, 3. This is yeah for the setting, everything. But here, when you the rank, for example, a rank icon, ranks. So here you got the ranks. So private, 22, and that is perfectly working. So basically the setup, except that you cannot have numbers here because I want to have just 0, 1, 2, 3, but that is not possible when I'm using enumerator, it seems, but that is just an actual issue or something, I don't know, but I don't care. If I can solve it another way, we will solve it another way. But to give you an idea, this is basically the same. So this is the same as that, and this is also the same as that, as those two. And then like this is the career, we don't know here the update ranking. So this is what does the when you click that plus sign, I believe it is on the thing, so it's updating the rank. So yeah, like in this session normally you need to have something at this point that is refreshing, let me say that that panel, but yeah, okay, I can fine-tune that when everything is working like I want it to be working. That's just maybe adding some extra lines to it or so. But this is not the thing, because it's the same code we're doing basically. In this point I'm not doing it here, I did it here, but then yeah, then you still have that same issue of updating the window. So but maybe yeah, I need to put it back in here and see if you then push the bottom, if he yeah, double flips it. So we will just copy paste the code in here and set modify the code in here. So now I did it on here, right? So yeah, I'm not going to go over the creation and the show. We don't show info, and no, we don't need that one. Show 80, no, I don't need that one. This is for the two buttons, so you see there's nothing, only a debug message, so that we don't need, and that we don't need. Also the renaming, yeah, the renaming, you see there's nothing weird in, or nothing that is the making a double entry or saying from, because what I do is I need to have the assault team and I need to have the character. Yeah, correct. Same for the leveling up process. I need to have the assault team and I need to have the character. Why? Because the assault team is attached to the character, but yeah, at the moment I didn't use it because the character, this part that is commenting out, is doing the update. So if I put this back on, back active, for example, because yeah, it doesn't affect the issue stays the same. So if I'm now going to do like this, I save it, we go quickly back, we stop, and we launch it again. The issue stays the same, but the only thing different will be that everything is updated. So when you now do for example, give him a name, bird, and you do like up, voila, you see it's directly updated. It's directly updated here. Same, yeah, this you don't see over there, but you see level 3. So for some reason, yeah, you see it's keep on doing the same. So if I'm now going to select this guy, this guy, this guy again, that guy, this guy, and we go, yeah, it's just crazy, but okay. Give it just a funny name, or doesn't matter, it's such testing. So you see it keeps on the guard unit. And now I'm going to go to the but that is not, oh yeah, well, yeah, it's open. So now I'm going on this guy. Yeah, this is basically what I need. Tralali, that I don't need. We're going back down. That is the start function. You see I'm creating the 6 guys for every faction, the same guy. You see, display the US. So if I disable this guy and we click on the characters, it will be empty. So I put a display on the US faction for this, but maybe I'm going to in the latest stage going to add like a preferred faction or so, you know. Okay, so that is that. Then here we create just the guys, you know. That is this. You see, for the new infantry I need a string from a S fact, so that will be the faction mainly. Then I will create a character, a new infantry, give it the character prefab that is set panel. So everything is done there. You get the counting. It's adding it to the characters database, and it the total owned characters on the faction statics is updated. Same here, para. So now we have all the creation of the classes from the character classes is this, because it's character. Then this is the display. So this one is cleaning out the panels. So every time this is run, it cleans out the panels by really destroying it. So not enabling, disabling the the view. And I think it got to do with that. That that is my thinking behind it, because when I was doing the character manager and in the character section of the game, it was also the program. It was doing basically the same weird situations, like for example, the input field of the naming, and when you enter the name, and yeah, the name when you refresh everything, it still keeps your name okay. And when you're doing some other things, it could be maybe handy, but in this case, that's not what I want. I want when you press the button that everything comes to the default state, and not like, yeah, like now everything is doing crazy. So okay, then yeah, you see I need to clean up the code, but hold on, huh? So game object, go. This is what I need to do. Instantiate instead of enabling, disabling. That is basically what I need to do. So that it was display the character. So then you will see all your characters, because for every character in the characters list, you spawn that image holder. Then you set the image, then you set the buttons. This is the button to show. So when you click on that one, on that image, then you will have the show character. Same, like I need that to have that characters panel. I need to have the character itself, and I need to have the faction for managing this part. So you see, that's what I need. A character holder, the character and a string I need. Then we'll run a function to set the command points. Then again, it's cleaning out the window or the panel. Then you see it's instantiating everything. Yeah, and I think really that this is basically, and then yeah, that's a function just to, you see, destroy. So and then show by, so that show by is basically doing the same, you see. And I think I need to do that again. I need to do that again, because like I'm doing it now. Hold on, I'm gonna switch this guy to that side, so that will be guard. And that was, yeah, okay. So like here, for example, here you see the leveling up. Everything is done. Yeah, mainly, yeah, it's maybe not good to say static, but I need to start from soldiers. Let me see. What are we doing? This is good. This is good. So we instantiating the image holder. Show info and data. That's the next phase we're doing. So that's the next phase we're doing. So I'm going to go over the phasing of the script. So this is what we basically do. So here we go again. Show AT faction. So that is this. Show AT faction. Show AT faction. So this is the first thing we do. Show IT. What is happening? Show IT. It first cleans out the panel. Then it search in the faction list for characters. In the character, the faction character list for characters. then it's searching inside the characters for the command point. So when the command point is greater or equal to 1, then it will instantiate. In this case I created a button for it because it needs to be yeah, you need to push it, so that is good. You push like, hold on, I'm first going to explain before I'm going to switch. So we show the IT, that's the button. So US, Germany or Soviet, you get that list of your characters that has one or more command points. Yeah, they are all clickable, so they are basically buttons. Then you see I give it the name, it's the character name, and then get the images. That's just a script, but basically it's going to set the image of the character. Then we have that on click, so when you click on it, it will go to this this code or this function, that is this one, and it need a character. So I'm passing through this one, is passed in here. So on this we're now going to open, hold on, close this one now. Then we're going to open this one. Yeah. Then because I need to know where it's going terribly wrong, so I'm just overviewing where it's different than it's done in here. So this comes basically, this comes every time it comes back. This is hold on, this, because that is, you need to clean out the list and just put in everything back. But yeah, that's just a fraction of a second. It's not visible or so. But yeah, okay. And then here, yeah, some security things to see if it exists. So if it's not does not exist, we return. But otherwise, we're going to go through the assault team list inside the character, because like I say, I need a character CSG. Then that is that one, so we're going to go look for the assault teams inside the character, and that is in the assault team's owned list. At the moment he only got one, and then this is, you see, this is also still instantiating, so that is basically okay. But then, so then so it's instantiating, it's giving the it's connecting the created prefab, and it's connecting it, or setting the parent to the AT transform. So basically it's connecting it as a child. Okay, then I'm getting the name from the panel, so the name field from the panel, and I'm setting the T, the assault team AT name. Correct. Then I'm also setting the icon, that is just your guard or recon or motorized or whatever image. Okay, then I'm adding a button on click handler at listener situation ting tung tang, and that one needs, that is this one, the assault team T. I pass it in the T, I pass it in here, same, because here show by, it's basically doing nothing, but here I added some arguments. Oh yeah, here, hold on, here I added some arguments. Yeah, so that is this one. I'm passing to the assault team and the character again, so could be changed later, but now that are the two things I got in my head that I think I need to have. And then is going to show the AT. So that is basically we click on this guy, then he gives us that panel, and he gives us the list of assault teams. That was in step, hold on, so that is basically, if I'm not mistaken, here in this one and this one, hold on, this is this goat is what we're looking at now. But I think, yeah, okay, it was closed, so yeah, this is spawning the info panel, this panel, and the code we were looking at is spawning this panel. So that is the assault team panel, character panel, and that is the buy upgrade panel. Okay, so going back, then the buy IT, I don't do anything at the moment, so we don't going to bother with it. So we're going to just how can I just close this one for oh no, this one. Okay, the info panel we don't need. So like I say, then we're going to go to the show IT. So that's when you click on your assault teams, then it will basically go to show IT function, and then okay, look, so here I think it goes wrong. And why I think here it goes wrong, this, not basically this line, but basically here I'm only saying set that window active, and we're modifying everything inside that window. So basically I click on this one guy, that is this guy, and quickly go to the panel, this guy, so you see what I did. So basically by pressing on that guy, you see, I just enable it, and on the other on this guy it's a brand new one. Hold on, if I now, how can I best show it? If I now do that, yeah, and then normally in the okay, you see, it's not destroying this, so that is needs to be destroyed. So the moment I click on that guy, it destroys all the elements here, so we don't have anything, but this guy stays alive. And the best thing is when we come on the German guy, that there's nothing reflecting to the other faction. Same for the US, same for the Soviet. So I better think I'm going to for that guy going to modify this part. Yeah, I think we need to do that. And now is the question, did I already set the, hold on, oh, that was not my intention. Do not, select what I don't want to select. Hold on, we're going to go over it, huh? Yeah. That is the currently. You see, it's going on that guy's directly. Okay. The code will be the same, eh? It's not like the code will change, but the only thing that will be changed will be like by ATs will be a T-box prefect that is spawned. No, that's not correct. This is the AT prefab box that is spawned. So that is the assault team. So we need to have this guy and that guy instantiate instead of having active and not active. But now comes the question. If we do this like it is now, will it be shown decently? Yeah, we're gonna take the risk. Boy AT need to be changed, and then this we're gonna to give it a name. Call it, for example, yeah, modify window. Modify panel. Just that we okay. In this guy, I need to have the modify panel. And we need to have 2 more prefabs to be spawned. Okay. So first of all, we're going to go over here then we quickly going to hold on. I'm going to yeah. Then those 2 we're going to put over here because they will be then this. Hold on, I need to oh, sorry, I need to think very carefully and that I don't make mistakes. So I'm going to make a by AT prefab. Yeah, I can. And how do I call it? Oh yeah, upgrade AT, just without the S. So up he this guy. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. So that is the 2 prefabs. Then a bit space. Then we need to have that other panel, huh? That modify panel, huh? Okay. I'm quickly going to set them first. Okay, that's correct. We have that, and that guy. That apply. that. I'm gonna leave them in for only for now, but once I'm going to test the code, I'm going to first, like you see, I got one also in there, so it doesn't matter, but I'm just going to disable them. I'm going to do the same on this guy first, because here everything is normal. Yeah, okay, it's good. It's disabled, so okay, that's good. I need to go on this guy. We need to have the modify panel. Modify panel goes to there. Okay. I need to have the prefabs. Take all the prefabs, make it a list, because with the icons, voila. Yeah, upgrade it. Okay, that's correct. We need to have the by AT character, the by, that's the above one. Okay, it's doing it. So then I know my code is okay. Voila. Quickly save this guy. So now we need to change. Huh? So we go in the assault team, leave it like it is for the moment. Maybe I will see if I go do this on the there's on the character, or maybe, but I will see. I'm first going to do it like I got it now, only by switching that this guy over here. Okay. So now I need this guy. This guy needs to be out of there. That guy needs to be out of there. Then I need to say yeah, I need to think. So we're going to get a new one now. I'm going to yeah, the naming's always finding it correct. So upgrade AT calling up here is equal to int down the 8 as voila, that is that. So now we're instantiating it, and what we need for it was how did I call it again? Upgrade ATS. That's the one we're going to. Oh, that's the one we're going to instantiate. That's the one we're going to instantiate. Okay. That's step one. Then we're going to connect that guy bg dot game object dot set. No, hold on, it's not game object, it's transform transform set parent. He's my parent. No, he is not. Yes, he is. Then modify panel transform. That's the one we need. Okay, now it's connected. But now the question is, because I noticed, will it be cleanly centered without having a vertical or horizontal layout group configured on that panel? We will see. So now we're going to quickly see if I can see this guy. We're gonna set it, but maybe I don't need to have the get component. I'm going to test something. Dot underscore name. Does it give me? Yeah, so I can go directly. Okay. That's good. So I don't need to have all the get component things now. Okay. So copy. I'm gonna do. I can search and do this, but I'm gonna do it manually because yes. Only watching out that I don't forget, like I see, forget a button or what do you call it, a dot. Here we're going to do the same because we need to. That's quickly modifying the code so the buttons. The rest of the code stays the same, but just another. And I think maybe I think the issue is because of that. Yeah, the renaming. I hope, but we will see. We will see. We're just going to. Okay. That is done. That is done. That is done. And yeah, I'm not going to put in debug messages because my console is full and the debug system is not in this guide. In the previous version I did, I got a debug system when that is on it showing everything, but now it's I need to clean. So we're going to do our test. First of all, do we have errors? Let me see. We don't have any errors. Okay, like I'm saying, this guy is disabled and that guy is disabled. I'm gonna delete them. Delete. I can always put them back in. So, okay. Press play. The final result will be something like. Still going okay. And now? That's what I mean. We don't see anything around here, but it's there. And it's not active. If I make it active, where is it? Cuckoo. Oi. Hold on. Where is that guy? There. You see? But okay, it's yeah, we're quickly going to see if all the. So basically, yeah, it's doing the same, So. Oh yeah, I cannot click that one. Okay, good. Now we're going to do quickly, yeah, because I just need to re-enable this. Okay, so I'm going to do the same, just to see. Maybe I need to just create the fixed position for it, but yeah, we will see what it does. Okay, so we're going to click that guy, click that guy, click that guy. Oh yeah, yeah, that's because my prefab is okay. So now it's one panel, but if I do, oh yeah, that's correct. Oops. Yeah, but okay, it's no problem. I need to do that on the buy button also. That's why these buttons doesn't work anymore. Okay, so if I do now that, then you will, oh yeah, you see? But that is not the meaning. That is something I don't want. Or I can maybe do it, and then when you click on that guy, maybe, yeah, I don't know. But okay, click on that guy. Or what? Hold on. US section. Show US. Oh, it's not cleaning out it anymore. Show German. Click on that guy. Okay, yeah, it's cleaning out. Show US. Okay. You see, it keeps on spawning. And this is not a. So if I'm going to put that one guy on active, you see what? Then we got a problem. Houston, we got a problem. But hold on. I'm going to quickly. No, I'm going to not quickly. I'm going to upgrade AT is visible. Okay, play it because we need to stay focused on the issue. So show US, click on that guy. The problem was when we're going to level him up, and I click on that guy and I click on that guy. He didn't level up. Oh yeah, damn it. Hmm. 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 Hold on. I leveled up, but we need to first fix the code. Otherwise, it will be very messy. So, that is this guy. Then on this guy, I need to have the same code. This guy's, voila. Copy that code. Yeah, you see, it's basically, yeah, it's. How must I say it's yeah, copy paste and because it needs to clean out but modify, that will be modify path no, because we need to have the children in, then it will add that one. Yeah, I'm going to delete everything, sorry. Well, I am not sorry, but this count is bigger, but yeah, then it's going to, yeah. Hold on, we're going to keep it like that for this one, but I'm also going to quickly, because I put that code in this one, I think here, so I'm going to quickly change that guy also. Then in the meantime, you see, did I open the correct one? Hold on, yeah, I'm looking at show it. It's instantiating it, yeah. It's her. Info transform. Well, that's a character, so okay, that's a character. That's a character, that's a character. Then show boy AT. That's the guy we need. So that's the guy we need. That's the guy we need. Show by AT. Show by show. That's it. Oh voila, that's this guy. Okie dokie. So you see, that need to get out of there. Yeah, I always need to think, otherwise. By AT BT is instantiate as by AT double dot. Let's close this. What we going to by AT. That's the guy we need. Then this whole thing will be then the same, just BT. So everything that is now by AT will go in this guy. And then that guys need to also then modify, otherwise there are still the buttons that need to be configured. Okay. That, yeah, it's a lot of work, but yeah, okay. Then hold on, I gotta do it. Voila. But we still did not connect it, Don't forget, we didn't connect it, Then bt dot transform, set the parent. Okay, we're gonna set the parent again to the modify panel, transform. Yeah, okay, leave it like this. We have errors. We don't have errors. Okay, that's good. Okay, here we go. Taking a drink. Okie dokie. Soul teams, show that guy. What do you got? You got an what did I forget? What did I forget? Hold on, I forgot something. I forgot something. There's something wrong. Upgrade AT. Why in the hell I enabled you, and why did you go back in your disabled state? Ah, I did the buy AT. Okay, now we're gonna go over it again. Yeah, you see it on this guy, yeah? So now nothing, now the menu is active, you see? So up, show, click, okay, here we go. So the info panel is showing the character, that's that guy. The other one is showing your assault teams, that are these guys. Okay, now I click on this guy. It's okay, yeah, this is okay, yeah. But now when I click on this guy, will I get two guys or will I get only the other guy? I will get the other guy. Will I get two or one? We get two. When I click back on that guy, it only gives that guy. A bit stupid, but okay. Going back to that guy. Here we go. First we're going to rename him. We're gonna say US 101. And what we're gonna, it's a guard unit. Just for the fun of it. Okay, then we, oh yeah, but that will give an issue. But yeah, okay, we will see. Okay. Yeah, that one is not doing anything. It doesn't work anymore. Show US. That is yeah, okay, so the renaming is not doing it. But I know why. But that's not a problem. Then okay, we're gonna test the leveling up. Level up. And it's closing it. The window is closed. Oh yeah, because it's closing. Level up. If it's not going like that. Level 2. Click on that guy. I think wait, hold on a second. Upgrade 80. Buy 80. Is not saying anything. 80 holder. That is just to shut down that message. I got, yeah, there's something. Ah, voila, I see it. I see it. Hold on. This could go away. So everything that is setting it active. Voila, this also. Rename, upgrade. This needs to be out of there also, because we don't do anything with the we're not doing anything with the Okay, so we cannot have it disabled. Hold on. The, yeah, we need to destroy it, not enable it. It needs to be destroyed. But that is done through the is there something else? Set parent, set active, set active, set active, nothing setting active. Okay, we're going to go try it again to see what is doing. Why is it starting? Why in the hell is it starting disabled? Yeah, for some reason it was not updating that. So we're going to delete those two again. Now I hope it does it correct. Yeah, sometimes the program is acting weird. And we got it on recording. I enabled it. So here we go again. Okay. Okay, we're just testing the TDPT. Click on that guy. But it's not. You see, it's not updating or it's not renaming it anymore, so I think I will put the renaming back. I think I'm going to put the renaming back on the character itself, on the assault team I had it before. But okay, now that we know the renaming is not working, the leveling up 1, 2, 3. You see? And now it's not affecting the other ones. Okay, it's not renaming it anymore, but that's like I'm saying that we're going to quickly fix. So this I'm gonna do maybe this I'm going to leave in there. Only this I'm going to do out of it. You know why? Because if I'm going to, I cannot have this function inside the assault team. Hold on. So that is basically a rename function. AT manager. Hold on. Yeah, I need to be looking. Show AT. That guy we need because this guy got the renaming. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that guy also in it. Hold on, I'm gonna give him another. So I'm gonna first give him the uh, regular AT dot rename function. Yeah. With this, I need to have that guy. So that will be instead of. Yeah, I need to think. Hold on, that I don't make. Because we need to know that will be the rename. Hold on. Oh yeah, I need to start with AT. AT. No, not AT. UPG. I need UPG. Yeah. Dot rename. Dot text. Because it's a string. That is what we need. That is what I'm asking. What I'm asking here. Okay. That's good. Then that one we keep. Then we're going to quickly modify that guy. But that I need to have also in it this part. Copy. Delete that guy. Voila, that's good. Going back up here. Okay. Let's see, did we save everything? So now I put it on that guy, so let's see if it does it. Do we got the error? No. Play. It's not renaming my guy no more. No, it's not leveling up also. Okay, that is pretty wrong. So that was not a good idea. First of all, put this out of it. And disable this guy. Okay, go back. Renamed it. You see, but it's not updating it. That's what I mean. I put it on the character and then you need to do many clicks. So for that, I need to fix something. So now, so you need to go click back on that guy. Now you just click the character again. Yeah. I'm gonna take a small break and then I will be maybe checking further on it because I'm gonna watch it. Ooh, it's almost 12 o'clock, so I don't think I'm gonna stream no more. So the rest will be for tomorrow. But yeah, save it. Yeah, we're getting close to what we want. Just yeah, quickly go over it again. So now it's empty. Did I disable it on the oh yeah, did I disable it on the characters also? No, the characters still show you as so. No, this is good. When we click it, it gives us this panel, gives it a list of assault teams. That stays good. You click on. Hold on. Close. Character. Buy. Major. See? Buy it, and then normally it needs to be visible over here. Yeah, a bit ashamed that. Oh, I need to really. Yeah, or I really need to enter them, get the positions, and every time when you instantiate that guy, but then yeah, you don't clean out because the objects need to be destroyed. Okay, that's for tomorrow, but we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Voila guys, that was it for today. I will catch with you tomorrow. I have a free day, so I can work a little bit on the program. See ya.